Automate CNC.
Welcome to Hanger6. We are First Flight Venture Center's newest pilot program. We are an advanced prototyping facility. We have a variety of equipment available, including 3D printers, some large 3D printers, as well as smaller 3D printers. We have 2 laser cutters, CO2 as well as metal fiber laser, and a variety of metal forming and metal working equipment, including a lathe, and our Automate CNC VMC 425. This morning, Kade and Joe from Automate CNC came down, and we had our first training class with them on our VMC 425. And using that information, we're going to be developing our own training that we're going to be offering to our members in-house. This is a very powerful workhorse of a machine, and we look forward to producing lots of parts for the startup and entrepreneurial community on it.